Hello friends, after a couple of months I'm back with a new tech video. I'm Rahul and you are watching my YouTube channel Miscellaneous Rahul. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you about the best Gcam application for your Motorola G60. So if you are using Moto G60 then this video gonna be surely helpful for you. So I have provided a link in this video description. Please click on the link and it will take you to a default browser, and after the link opens, in the top you will see Gcam 8.1.101 Uchaya v1.5 APK. Then simply click on it. Then it will ask you to cancel or OK. As I have downloaded the app previously, so it shows cancel or download. So after the app gets downloaded, click on it, and I will remind you that it runs on 8.1 version. So just simply click on the settings icon and you will see all the settings here, but be sure you make no changes in the developer settings. Then if you make any changes it will crash the entire application. So this was the video, and if you get any problem regarding this application, be sure to comment